Yes, it's finally here, the Volkswagen Transporter. Hi, and welcome back to Hillside Leisure. Sorry it's been a while since we've been on the channel. It has actually been very hectic with all the shows, new vehicle launches, and also a lot of private sales going through. So, we're excited to be back, and the moment's here you've all been waiting for. So let's get right into it. Yes, it's finally here, the Volkswagen Transporter. Many of you are calling it the T7. Officially, it's known as the Volkswagen Transporter, but regardless of the name, we're excited it's finally arrived, and it's going in our workshop for a full conversion. I can't officially give you a date of when this conversion will be finished because we want to get it just right. But if you'd like more information, please subscribe or keep an eye on our website. Now, I've had the opportunity to drive this, and I can say it was smooth, modern, and generally a good experience to be behind the wheel. This vehicle has got some great potential, and I'm looking forward to it being converted. The Transporter comes in a few different options. It's available on diesel, fully electric, and in 2026 it'll be available on a hybrid. I'm not going to go too much detail into the specs, but you can keep an eye on our blog where you can actually find all the information. You'll find on there pricing, specs breakdown, colour choices, and as soon as they're ready, all the interior options available. And here's something else you should know. Volkswagen are offering 5 years warranty, 5 years servicing, 5 years roadside assist, and then you get 3 years of free MOTs. But to top it off, here at Hillside Leisure, we'll also be offering you 5 years on your Volkswagen conversion. It's an exciting time here at Hillside, and we can't wait to share more. So subscribe to keep up to date with more details, and thank you for your patience, and we'll see you soon.